right? The jailer is going to give you the form, and I want you to fill it out carefully and completely and get it back to the jailer so I can get you an attorney appointed as soon as possible. The next thing you need to know is I'm going to set what's called a preliminary hearing. That's a hearing where I determine whether or not there's sufficient grounds for you to answer to the higher level district court. I have to set a preliminary hearing within 10 days of this date, and I'm setting your preliminary hearing on the 9th of June at 8:30 in the morning. That's a Friday. That hearing will be held unless the county attorney before that time files the formal charge called a trial information, and the district court judge then approves the trial information. The district court judge can find probable cause from that more detailed document. Right now, all that I have before me is a complaint, and therefore I don't have enough detail to make such a determination. Your attorney can also waive a preliminary hearing, but that's unlikely to happen in this type of case. You're advised that I'm going to be holding you for $50,000 cash bond, and that will remain until and unless it possibly is changed by a bond review hearing that would be requested by your attorney. Do you understand what I've told you so far?
What did you mean by you just have a
A
complaint?
complaint is an accusation of a crime, all right? It's the one-page document that starts the process that's filed by the police officer who's in charge of the case. Now, do you have any other questions? That was a good question.
Not about this in particular.
All right. Here's what I would suggest. If you don't have any questions about what you and I are talking about, I suggest that you reserve any other questions for your court-appointed attorney, because they have a privilege of, against incriminating you, or any statements that you make to them are privileged, all right?
I was just wondering why I'm being in isolation.
I'm not the jailer, but you could ask the jailer regarding your status, and they may or may not answer, but that would also be a question for you to ask your attorney. So the most important thing you can do today is fill out that application form and get it back to the jailer so I can review it as soon as possible. All right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, sir.
All right, go fill the form out, and that'll end our meeting today. All right, take it easy.